'Twas the night before Christmas, and at the North Pole, Father Christmas had a problem with fulfilling his role. The sleigh lay in pieces, and his reindeer had gone, but his mission to deliver presents was not yet done. The elves tried to fix it, but time was running out. This problem looked daunting, and it filled him with doubt. For tomorrow the children would wake from their beds and find no presents, but disappointment instead. A decision was made, for Saint Nick needed assistance, but those who could help were at a great distance. The elves made a call on their long-range radio. Who would answer it, they did not yet know. Some time passed, and up in the sky they heard the engines of something that flies. An aircraft had come to give them a hand, and it descended quickly to the ground to land. The engines turned off and the crew disembarked. The elves ran quickly to where it had parked. The presents were passed up and filled the whole plane. The landing gear compressed under the strain. With the plane now full and ready to go, the engine struggled to start in the snow, but with some skillful control the pilot would succeed, and the propellers began to pick up speed. With engines turning and landing lights bright, the aircraft departed into the night to deliver its cargo to the children of the world, a mission suited only to those who are bold. Father Christmas looked on as the aircraft flew away, and urged his elves to continue fixing his sleigh. Others were sent out in the snow to look for his reindeer, for they would need finding before next year. With crisis averted, Christmas was a success, but Santa felt that it had caused him some stress. He might take a holiday for that very reason, but will be back and ready next Christmas season. Hi, I'm Matt, and you've been watching Model Minute. I'd like to extend a massive thank you to Airfix for providing the 1/72 scale Armstrong Whitworth Whitley GR Mark 7 plastic model kit, along with accompanying paints and a Hornby Fir Tree free of charge, so that I could build this diorama and be featured in their Christmas Advent Calendar 2019. So, if you're not a regular subscriber and have come here from the Airfix Advent Calendar, a big hello to you. And whilst you're here, please take a look at some of my other videos. As always, honourable mention goes to my patrons over on Patreon. Check out the links in the description to find out more about how to get involved with this. Finally, all that's left to say is a huge thank you from me for watching, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.